Hey my Glamkins, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm very excited to talk about this new launch today. This is a very unique and new skincare range by Just Herbs. I've tried it a few times and I loved it. My skin loved it, and this is how my makeup have applied on top of after this skin regime. So I thought of talking about it to you guys. If you are interested in knowing more about this product, then yes, please continue watching. If you're big on skincare, then I'm sure you must be knowing that vitamin C is its skincare ingredient if you are aiming to get brighter and clearer skin. So I've seen multiple vitamin C products derived from oranges, but this Just Herbs Vitamin C Skincare Regime Kit is derived from a superfood which I think you must all be aware of. Our mummy, dadi, nani, everyone's favorite, which we all have it in our kitchen. It's our Indian gooseberry, that is amla, and this is 20 times much more powerful than oranges. So you guys just think about applying this onto your skin every single day and your skin getting better and better. I'm very much into vitamin C as I have got pigmented skin. Amla has humongous benefits not only for your hair, your body, but also for your skin, you guys. Why I was dying to get my hands on this range: first of all, 100 milligrams of amla has 600 milligrams of vitamin C. So just imagine applying this onto your skin every single day and your skin like literally shining bright like a diamond in real life. Now coming on to this range, you have got 4 products. The first one is their face wash. It's vitamin C, amla and licorice root brightening face wash. Next product is their face mask. I have the serum. The last product that I have got is my favorite. I love the texture of this. Is their brightening gel cream. And you are basically sorted with your skincare routine with one single range, you guys. Starting from the first product, Just Herbs Vitamin C Skin Brightening Face Wash. It is mildly foaming and non-drying face wash, which is amla, licorice root and neem. It's a rejuvenating face wash which instantly clears my skin without stripping off the natural oils. Also, my skin instantly looks bright after a single wash. I do not have to use a lot of product to clean my face, and it has got neem, which obviously tackles your acne and blemishes. And I'm speaking after using a couple of days, and I love that how my skin has not reacted to this product. Next product is Just Herbs Skin Brightening Face Mask. It contains amla, bentonite clay and kaolin clay. It is supposed to detan, detoxify and de-stress your skin. This face mask is just perfect for summers, as during hot and humid weather we tend to sweat a lot and our skin start producing more oil than normal. So this double duty face mask detoxifies and also gets rid of all the dirt and grime out of your skin and makes your skin squeaky clean, which we all love. I've used it a couple of times. I really love the outcome. The makeup sits very well on top of the skin. This is like my every week regime to have this mask. I love this mask, you guys. So now that my skin feels super fresh and re-energized, the next step is to hydrate, which brings us to step 3, Just Herbs Brightening Serum. This serum has amla, licorice root and 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. It is beginner friendly, fast absorbing formula. It also helps in removing dullness, fade, dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It is very lightweight and it sips into the skin. You don't even feel like you have used anything. I have used so many vitamin C serums in the past and this one tops the most. Summers I don't like applying too many layers of skincare. This product just sorts all my issues. Your skin will feel super nourished and hydrating. I don't even feel like actually sometimes that I've applied anything. It sure is working its magic on my skin. I have seen a major difference, reduction in my dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Skin feels super healthy and balanced. I love overall using vitamin C in my everyday skincare routine. If you are not using already, I would highly recommend to include vitamin C. So now coming on to the fourth and the final product, and also the fourth and final step of this skincare regime, is vitamin C brightening gel cream. Like other products, it's also infused with amla and licorice root. This cream, guys, is the showstopper of all the other products that I've showed you. Although I love all of them, but this one tops the most. It seals in all the moisture and the nourishment. It's a gel based cream. Seeps into your skin like magic. It's so smooth, super lightweight, non-comedogenic, so it's not gonna clog your pores and allow your skin to breathe. The gel based formula just vanishes into your skin like butter, and it gets right to work. It boosts your collagen, it balances your skin's pH level, and also protect your skin from environmental pollution. I usually use this in my nighttime skincare routine. You can use it in the day as well, but I love to use it in the night the most. I lather a generous amount and apply it on my skin in upwards motion, so it soothes my skin and also makes it look greasy, and also makes my blood flow, makes it look very fresh and juicy. I love that how bouncy my skin looks after each time I apply this cream. So all in all, I am in awe with this range, you guys. I mean, what's not to love? Amla is the superhero of this range, and trust me, you need to add this to your skincare regime. It also falls in affordable price bracket, and it's suitable for all skin types. And like all other of their products, this range is also free of parabens, silicones, and if that is not enough, it's also vegan and free of all nasties, suitable for all skin types as I mentioned. I'm definitely continuing with this range. If you try it out, let me know in the comments section. Let me know your thoughts if you've already used it. Everyone wants to try new skincare, but skincare stuff is really expensive out in the market. This one falls right into budget, so you don't need to worry. I will mention the link where you can purchase this in the description box, so please do check it out. It has made a staple in my skincare regime, so I thought of coming down here and sharing it with you. If you've already used this range, let me know your thoughts. If you tried out, also let me know in the comment section. So that's everything I wanted to share, and I really hope that you enjoyed and found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.